Hi guys, so in today's video we'll be visiting 3 gated communities, one in Adenta called Green Opal Estates, one in Accra called Petite Chatus, and one in Achimota called Parkville. So let's go. As we are driving through the hustle and bustle of everyday living in Ghana, we are now entering into Green Opal Properties, which is in Adenta. I would say Adenta is a bit further out, but it's an area many families consider because, you can get more space for your money. This gated community, I would say, offers a quieter, more suburban feel, which can be appealing if you're looking for somewhere long-term for your family. Prices here tend to start lower compared to central Accra, which can make an interesting option if budget and space are your key priorities. Here we are looking at a 3-bedroom property where one of the bedrooms are downstairs and then you have the other 2 bedrooms upstairs. Prices here start from about 260,000 USD for a 3-bedroom house and up depending on how many rooms you desire. Next up we have Petite Chatus in Opal, which is developed by Buildaf. This development feels more intimate, quiet, and it still offers the same kind of gated community security feel. Opal is growing in popularity, especially for people looking for a slightly calmer environment without moving too far out of Accra. Homes here, I would say, are thoughtfully designed, modern, and the pricing reflects both the build quality and the exclusivity of the development. What I loved about this development is that there was a mix of older traditional style homes as well as modern homes, and honestly it was just such a lovely, beautiful gated community with lots of plants and greenery around. For a 3-bedroom house here, prices start from about 300,000 USD and up depending on how many rooms, style and finishing that you go for. I must say I was really impressed with the gated community by Buildaf, which led me to be really intrigued to want to know more about them as a property developer. I was informed that they had properties in East Legon and also that they were currently developing a gated community in Achimota, and so therefore guys, I just went over there to check it out because honestly I was just really stunned by the houses and the overall aesthetic of their gated community. Last but not least, we have Parkville in Achimota, which is developed by Buildaf. Again, Achimota is a very central area of Accra, making it more popular with families and professionals who want, I would say, that easy access into city life while still living in a secure, gated environment. Parkville offers modern, clean finishes, paved roads and a strong focus on privacy and security. I would also say me just going through this development and this property, that finishing is really immaculate here. Properties here sit at a higher end of the price range, so you're looking around 400,000 USD and up, but here you're really paying for location, gated community and developer reputation, which is of a really good standard, guys. And now I'm just going to be walking through with you guys to show you how beautiful and well planned this gated community really is. And what's really lovely is that you can actually see that people are living here. This is not a ghost gated community. And I really like the landscaping here. You can see some really lovely mature trees, lush greenery, which really adds to, your living environment and just adds to a sense of well-being. There you have it, we visited 3 gated communities. Let me know which one was your favourite in the comments. I'll see you there. Bye for now.